Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be showing Instagram security code not received and how to fix it. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it? First of all you have to need, open your phone settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom, then you will find this system apps. Click on it and now click on messages. Click on this toggle receive instant SMS messages, turn this off and turn on again, and after that click on notification management, and from here turn off allow notifications and turn on this, and after that retry again on Instagram to get a code and hope it should work, and if will not work then open your phone settings again, and from here click on dual SIM, and you have to turn off your SIM and again turn on your SIM, and then try again to get code from Instagram and hope it should work. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it? Thanks for watching this video.